In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to activate airplane mode on your iPhone. Whether you're boarding a flight, conserving battery, or troubleshooting network issues, airplane mode is a handy feature that disables all wireless connections with a single tap. Let's get started. First, let's unlock the iPhone. If you're using Face ID, simply swipe up from the bottom of the screen while looking at your phone. If you have Touch ID, place your finger on the home button to unlock your device. Once you are on the home screen, you have two easy ways to enable airplane mode. The first method is through the Control Center. To access it, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen if you have an iPhone with Face ID. If you have an iPhone with a Home button, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. In the Control Center, you will see several icons, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular data. Look for the airplane icon, which represents airplane mode. Tap on it, and you will notice that your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular network icons turn gray, indicating that all wireless connections have been disabled. The second method is through the Settings app. Tap on the Settings icon from your home screen, which will open the main settings menu. At the top of the list, you'll see an option labeled Airplane Mode. Tap the toggle switch next to it, and it will turn green, indicating that airplane mode is now enabled. When this mode is active, your device will disconnect from cellular networks, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. However, you can manually re-enable Wi-Fi or Bluetooth if needed by going back into the Control Center or Settings. If you want to turn off airplane mode, simply repeat the same steps. You can either tap the airplane icon in the Control Center or toggle it off from the Settings app. Once disabled, your iPhone will reconnect to your mobile network, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth devices automatically. And that's it. You now know how to quickly activate and deactivate airplane mode on your iPhone. This feature is useful in many situations, from traveling to saving battery life or even fixing network issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.